Thank you from Sebring Muscle Cars. We have a really cool car here that just came down from Connecticut. It was originally a California car. It's a 74 satellite Sundance package. And the place that it came from, the people wanted to make it kind of a Roadrunner clone, so they put the decals of the Roadrunner on it, and they put the scoops on the hood. So the hood's correct, but they put the scoops on there, so it's not right. The scoop also says that it's a 340, but it's actually a 318 car. And we're planning on putting it back to its original Sundance decals. They just look really cool. They'll match the colors of the interior. We're gonna put the original Magnums that are actually still in the trunk. They're in there. So we're going to take these guys off, put the original ones back on it. And this car has just a lot of really cool options. And for anyone who doesn't know, the Sundance, there were only 600 of these made. And 300 were made in white, 300 in gold. So we weren't really sure if it was a true Sundance just with all of the Roadrunner badging on it, but once we really looked into it, it is a Sundance. So you can see the interior though is still intact. It's pretty cool. And it's got the white vinyl top, half vinyl top, lots of cool stuff. So stay tuned for the work that we do on it, and we can't wait to put it back to its factory original, see what it looks like, just because it's so rare. It'd be really cool to see one done.
Test drive Sundance.
I love it. Steering is super tight. Air conditioning works. Wow.
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
Yeah, it rides super nice. Very exciting, very exciting.